That's quite. I mean, I was so happy when you shared the picture with me. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. Love from Srinagar is what I'm getting. Wow. Someone says, show your thanks. You're not that lucky, dude. Hi, Guru. How are you? Hi, Deepak. Kalraji. Sasriyakal. Oh, your cat's name is Billy. So everyone asks me why is my cat's name Billo, and that's probably because um he used to live in the building and he's wandering around since 4 years, and his ex mama, Priyanka Reddy, and he had two ex mamas, and they all used to call him Billu. So we didn't want to change his name. So yeah. Ruditya is saying hi Rudu. Rudu, तुझी cat कशी है? I'm so happy to adopt Kelly's cat. I'm so proud of you. Wow, I'm really happy. Hi Lee. Oh my god, Lee. Thank you for the sunflower picture. I really adore. I mean, one day I'll own a sunflower field. Hi Ritika, Abhishek. Yes, he has grown so much, and it's been what, like almost a year and a half. We adopted him, and he's really adorable. I can't even tell you how adorable he is. Hi Tejas. Swami. Hi Swami. अरे यार, सब लोग बोल रहे मेरा नाम ले लो, मेरा नाम ले लो, मेरा नाम ले लो. Ritika, come home and meet him. He loves having my friends over. Obviously now he's so tired of me right now. खरंच का मी मराठी खूप छान बोलते. Oh Abhishek, show me Stella. Send me Stella's pictures, please. I can't really wait to see Stella. Lee, you better send me pictures from Ibiza. Hi Kim. How are you, Kimmy? Okay, so it's been some time, and I was like getting a lot of DMs, and people are like, please come live, please come live. So here I am. Are you blind because you don't see my comment? Yes, I'm blind. There are so many. How do I read all of them? Yeah. How is the condition there? Still lockdown? No, it's opened up. Things are better, and yeah, things are gonna get back to normal soon, inshallah. Below, Bino, look, everybody's here. Kazakhstan. Wow, I'm getting love from Kazakhstan, Algeria, Bangladesh. Wow. Hi guys. Next movie, Cub. Don't marry anyone, Mrinal. Devil advocate says so. Kare, why should I not? Speak only Marathi, please. Office come na. बरं जय, आम्ही ऑफिसला येऊ खूप लवकरात लवकर. Someone says, "Oh, Shimri, so cute." Lol. Dude, your comments are damn funny. Sometimes I read and I'm so cracked up all the time. Oh, I wish to come to Delhi. Actually, I'm coming to Delhi soon. I'll be in Delhi soon. And Rohit says he's a big fan. Really? Are you sure you're just my fan, or you are someone else's fan? Are you angle? Because my heart beats whenever I You guys crack me up so much. Nikita Pandey, असं नाहीये बाळा. I'm replying to everyone. How can you be so fit? Because I work out and I eat, and I work out and I eat. Let's see Billow's face. Oh, Billow. Billow, come. Get up. Fishy. 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 Show your face. Hi, everybody. Oh, he's too sleepy. Okay, guys, just Rohit, you better stop it, okay? Otherwise, I'll send my personal trainer because I better not say it. Okay, so the reason I've come live was because Billow was getting too cuddly and I was just putting stories and stories and I felt it was not enough. But right now, I don't know what has happened to him. He's just gone quiet and he's just fallen asleep. मेरा कैट बहुत शांत है. हाँ, उसने तो मुझे बहुत से स्कार्स दिए हुए हैं. I'm so sorry. I don't know. My cat is... he's old also. And I don't consider him as a cat. I think he's a dog. And all the people who say I'm a cat person, I'm a dog person, I really don't understand. I think it's all about love. It's all about what you feel, right? Like, and I don't think it was us who adopted him. He adopted us. So also, please, I request you to not please adopt pets. Don't pay for it, yeah, because it's become a business and I don't really like the way that they don't really take care of, it's very sad. Thakur Amar Singh says, I love you. Anmol, hello. Yeah, braids are gone. It was so nice to have the braids and it was something that I really, really wanted to do since a couple of years. And I did it, but it's not easy. So hats off to each and every lady who does keep braids and salute to you guys. Someone says twerk, twerk, twerk. Well, soon, but in private. तूफान कब उठेगा? जल्द ही. Hi, IG Yash. Okay, I'm getting lots and lots of love from Tamil Nadu. जाम भारी दिसतेस तू. काय मी अशी घरच्या कपड्यांमध्ये बसली आहे, उन्हासमोर बसली आहे, तुमच्याशी बोलती आहे. आणखी काय? जाम काय यात? लव फ्रॉम लखनऊ, रस्तोगी, आदर्श. Thank you. From Dubai, thank you. Anything about Arjit Taneja? Well, I have lots to say. He's forgotten me. He doesn't care about me. He doesn't respond to me. And then you have to send him I have to send him stinker messages like, thank you for calling me, I really appreciate it. And that's when he will reply me back. Yeah. Well, that's what friends are all about, no? Not replying, not caring. Guru, wanna see you live with Guru Randhawa. Guru is in Dubai, he's busy. Renil, how the hell are you catching golden hour light at 6:30? You are glowing. Renil, well, I think it's you, and it's it's you. I'm so happy. I hope you're doing good, Renil. My God, and your show looks amazing. It's so much fun. I never miss it. Your hair is so beautiful black. Thank you. I can't wait. Vaccine लगा लिया मैंने, लेकिन हाँ मैंने vaccine लगाया. I didn't get a jab. Sorry. Naruto. No, I haven't. But my brother keeps telling me must watch. Anything about Kushal Tandon? Okay. Kushal Tandon is a replica of Arjit Taneja who will never show their faces in life. It's been like, what, like years I've seen both of them. And they both are adorable. That's the only thing I can say. But damn annoying. Also, they're very annoying. Sing Rinkia ke papa. I cannot sing. I'm sorry. Love you, Sonia. I miss that film. Okay, I'm getting like requests, like crazy requests from people. Do you think we should add Arshia on it? Or we should add. I'm going to see all the requests. Okay, let me add someone. Astha, Sneha, Sameer, Avinash, Aditi. Let's add Aditi. How do I select? Send request. I don't know. Is it working? Oh,
Hi.
hi, Aditi.
Hello.
Hi.
I can't believe this.
Why you can't?
Today I'm your big fan. Like
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Gujarat.
Hey, came to madam.
Hi. I can't hear you. Hello.
Yeah, where in good.
Hello.
Yeah, can you guys hear me? Can you hear me now? Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Now
Yeah,
I
can you
can.
hear me now?
Yeah.
That's such a beautiful picture. Is that you and your father?
Yes, it's me and my father.
Oh, is it just a
Yes.
photograph or is it like, is it handmade, like sketched or what is it?
The
Can't
photo.
really see. It's a photograph. So cute. Your dad is so adorable.
Thank you. It is
Oh,
a picture.
so cute. He looks
Actually,
like Mahesh Kothare, sir. I don't know why, but his smile just looks like Mahesh Kothare, sir.
uh, he looks like quite South Indian type.
Yeah, right? Like, yeah.
So it's a
Wow.
Father's Day gift.
Sorry?
It's a Father's Day gift.
Oh,
Last to
now
last year.
Father's Day is coming now, right?
No, but last year. Yeah.
This is last year. I think Father's Day is like next Sunday or something like that.
Yeah, 2020.
Correct. What's your plan for Father's Day then?
Well, nothing because yesterday he was out of station. Like he has some work, so he's in Assam right now.
Oh, so probably you can plan something for him once he's back then.
Yeah, that's
है
possible.
ना?
Yeah. By the way, आप कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ. Thank you for asking. मैं बहुत ठीक हूँ. I can't wait to start working now. बहुत हो गया छुट्टियाँ छुट्टियाँ घर पर बैठी थी कब से. मैं बस रुकी हूँ कि when I just like from next week like Monday like tomorrow onwards I start working and I'm so happy. I'm really really excited to get back to work.
Yeah, but take care.
Yeah, I'm going to take care. You too take care of yourself, okay? And give my love to your father.
Yeah, sure. But let me take one screenshot, please. Smile.
Correct?
No, wait.
Okay.
Oh, let me
You're
look.
looking fine. You're looking great. Trust me. You're welcome. Bye, sweetheart. Take care. Okay, now I don't know how to end this, but I'm going to try.
I cancel it.
Okay. Thank you, my love.
How to cancel?
There we go. That was Aditi. Wasn't she adorable? And her father. Oh my god. Even I have a portrait with my father outside. Yeah, do you think we should add someone else as well? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, let me take a few questions. Want to see you in Telugu movies. Fan. Love from Telugu. Love from Telugu कैसे हो सकता है यार? I would love to. Huh. Let's add someone else. It's fun to know people, you know. Let's see who it is next. Let's add Akila. It's so humid. Why is my pet so quiet? Because he is asleep.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine too. What about you? I'm preparing to talk with you, and probably I was so shocked to talk with you. Wow, it was really awesome. I'm from Kerala.
What?
Yes, I'm a big fan of you, Bulbul. I just love the character very much, and now also I'm seeing that Kungum Bhagya. Love to see that character, and I love you so much.
You made my
Yes. Yes, yes, I love you so much because that much I love that serial, Abhi, Pragya, and all. And what about you? What about Coronas?
Oh my god.
Yes, yes, not hearing, not clear at all, yeah.
What?
Not clear at all.
It's all over my face. I'm good, yeah.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
What about your upcoming projects and all that?
You will see Tufan soon on Amazon.
Okay, okay, okay. All the best for your new
Maybe
projects.
in
Come,
couple of
lot of
months. So
projects will come. Okay, okay.
yeah, I
I'm
know.
so shocked to see you and take. Can I take a
Screenshot?
screenshot?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Take it.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
You're welcome.
I also prepare. Okay. I
Done?
was. No, one more. Yeah. Okay, I took it up.
Done? You got it?
Yes,
Okay,
done.
lovely chatting
Okay.
with you. Please be safe.
You, wow. And how are you and what about them?
I'm good. Everybody is
Okay.
great here.
Okay.
And we're trying to be home
And
and
tell
trying to
my
be safe.
regardings to your family also. Yeah, that was too cool. Getting a Kerala call from you was an unexpected call, no?
Arre.
Yeah. And now also I'm seeing Kungum Paga. It's just really to love you so much and getting a talk with you also. It was very nice to talk with you. Yeah.
No, that show was very close to my heart. I learned a lot from that show.
Okay.
Okay, my love, you
My
be safe,
sister
okay?
also. Okay, Ra. Okay. Love you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
That was Akila. My God, I'm so surprised as to how people still watch. Hi, Ananya! Ananya! Meri Ananya. Okay, guys, ask me some legit questions, no? Come on. Okay, I'm gonna add my most favorite Myra Dandekar, and she should be here anytime.
Hi,
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
I'm good.
So for people who are watching us right now, this is Myra. And she just turned 10 years old. It was her birthday on the 6th of June, 4th of June, 6th of June, 8th of June, 7th of June, 7th of June. You know your Didi doesn't eat almonds. She's very bad with her memory. But I do remember that Myra did turn 10 years old and she's a big girl now. Isn't she adorable, guys? I miss you,
Is it
Myra.
hot over there?
It's very hot. Like, look, I'm like full,
You're
like
sweating.
sweating. I'm sweating.
You're sweating a lot. Where's Billo?
Billo is here. I'll show you. This guy is so adorable. I can't even tell you. He's so adorable. See, look, he
Hi,
passed out.
Billo.
Hi, Myra. Billo, fishy. Look, when I say fishy, he'll wake up. Billo, fishy. Take Chimkin. Who wants Chimkin? Billo. Billo, take fishy.
Hi, Billo.
Hi. He's like, don't disturb me, Didi.
He's like,
I'm
don't
asleep.
disturb me.
Yes. He's like, don't disturb me. I'm like asleep. You good?
Yeah.
How is the weather there?
It just rained like a couple hours ago.
It did. It's not raining here at all. I mean, it was raining a couple of hours ago, but
Oh.
it's back.
It
It's
looks really
sunny.
hot
It's
over there.
humid. Yeah. I hope to see you soon, Myru.
I miss you.
I miss you. You remember the last time we met was in a theater where we were watching your movie, and oh my God, that's the last time I ever watched a movie in a
That's the
theater.
last time.
Oh God, I miss
And
it.
then
I miss it.
we planned for it.
But that sleepover never happened.
You.
But I promise you, I'm gonna come and see you soon.
Hello?
Okay, Myru? I said I'm gonna see you soon. Okay? It's your network. Myru, I can't hear you. Okay, that was Myra. I couldn't hear her, but she's adorable and she's a brilliant actor and a very, very professional artist. She's 10, but I feel like I have to learn a lot from her. Okay, guys, I'm sweating and I have to head for my workout. It was so lovely to catch up with you guys on a Sunday evening. Please take care of yourself. Before I go, I wanted to let you know that I got vaccinated, and you guys also must go and get yourself vaccinated in the nearest centers. And just please keep wearing masks. Just because there's no lockdown, that doesn't mean that you're gonna just go step out without mask and not take care of yourself. Okay. What's your response about Family 2? Dude, I loved it. I love Family Man 2. I literally like binged watch, and I ruined it for my friends because they were about to watch and I gave away the suspense. Well, yeah, I'm that kind of a friend. Anyway, thank you so much for joining, guys. Lots of love. Be safe, be healthy. I'll see you soon.